Hey crafty friends, welcome to Venture with Bella. Today we're going to make some custom earring cards, perfect for handmade jewelry, flea market booths, or if you're trying to organize your stash. You don't need no Cricut, you don't need no fancy machines. So we're going to use simple supplies that you might already have at home. And if you don't have it at home, I'll let you know the price and where you can get them. Great for hobbyists who like to organize their jewelry, perfect for small businesses selling on Etsy, markets, and pop-up shops. Or perfect for anyone who wants to step up their game and trying to find a different way to make some new earring cards in an inexpensive way. So what you would need is cardstock, whether it's plain, pattern, or textured. Okay, cardstock. So these are cardstocks right here is an example. Gift tags that are pre-cut like these right here. Another one. Here's these gift tags that I got at Joann's after Christmas. If you have a lot of earrings, definitely get more packs of these. Excuse me. Here's another gift tag that I got. Okay. And if you don't have any gift tags, you can get these at Lowe's or on Home Depot, and it's free. Can't beat that. All right, so now we're going to start with making the earrings. Typically, earring cards can range from size 2x3, 2x2, 2x4, 4x6, whatever the size. Figure out what kind of size you want your earring cards to be. Once you establish the size that you want, you can even just mess around with the sizes if you have the cardstock and figure out which one you like. And if you're feeling a little fancy, you can punch 2 holes and add 2 slits to the sides, and that's it. So let's start over here. So this is cardstock. This is a 2x2. My daughter, I usually do around that size for my daughter. She has her own jewelry business. So this is a 2x2. Okay, this right here is a 2x3. It's not cut, you know, in a straight, line, but here's a 2x3 and a 2x4. I mean, a 2x2. So once you establish that, you're going to use your ruler and your scissors. You just got to measure it, make sure it's consistent, and cut it. This cardstock was in the craft store at Joann's, and I paid, as you can see, I paid, focus, $5. Okay. You can get the other cardstock at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Can't beat that. Now these other gift tags, these are much more thicker, and I'm letting you know right now it can be a little difficult to punch holes in these. Okay, so these already had holes in them. Okay, but look at the design, very beautiful, and it came with a whole bunch of them in different colors. Okay, and I got these at Goodwill. So for the holes for those, I'm going to show you. This is with the bigger one, with that one. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. But I can't find my other hole puncher. And when I do, I am going to put it in the link below. I got it at the craft store. But this is the size that you would need. But if you have like other earrings, you might be able to work with these. But the smaller one actually looks better if you look at it and just want to do a compare and contrast. Now, if you want to go a little extra, if you're doing flea markets or if you're just first starting out, you can also get the cellophane bags 2x3 or whatever the size your card is and make it look more nice and make it pop. And if you want to do branding, you can also do with a stamp. It says handmade with love by Isabel, or you can handwrite it. It makes it more authentic with your earring cards. And then with this one, I can't find my scissors, but typically you would cut on the white line right there, and you can use this as earring cards. Okay, I have like a whole bunch of these. Listen, make it rainbow, you know? It's so cute. I think it's cute. I think it's creative. You don't need to go fancy or spending so much money on to make your own earring cards. So honestly, you can't go wrong with that. I've seen people use these as earring cards, make bookmarks out of these, make a whole bunch of different crafts with these. Okay, so like I said, you don't need anything fancy. You just need cardstock, gift tags, 2 holes, and that's it. Hopefully that's was helpful. Oh, and if you are starting out or doing a flea market or something, you can get these at the dollar store as well. Obviously, I don't have the rest of the tags, but you can also place, the prices on them. FYI, if you're doing that. But that'll be like another video to show you. Hopefully this was helpful. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you made your own earring rings. I mean, earrings. Earring. If you made your own earring cards, or if you sell your jewelry, tell us where to find you, and I'll follow you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep crafting, keep shining, and I'll see you on the next video.